Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a DOmeter or dissolved oxygen meter with the ATC probe, means automatic temperature probe. With the ATC means this is a automatic temperature probe which is telling you the temperature. Now the temperature is being telling you 29.8 degrees C. And this DO, how much is the oxygen? And this one is a probe where we put the DO and this wire electrode, and this is for putting the banana plug for the DO probe. This one is a DO probe. There is a semi-permeable membrane. This one is a sensor, and this is a cup where we also provide you some of the more this five of them are there in this. You put this once they go bad. This is sensor. You put it in the liquid or bottle. The DO oxygen dissolved in the water will be directly coming in the milligram rating. This is LCD panel, and once you can set the zero also, you can calibrate also, you can save the reading. It has a reading which is now, this is not, I am not showing you the water testing. This will save the readings inside, and the whole working is shown here. How do you read the reading? Put the electrode in the unknown value solution and then display the value. Will show you the value of the temperature. Please save the value and then you can do the experiment. And then please visit the website and WhatsApp 94160200018. Mail is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com, and then you can buy the lab instrument, physics, chemistry, biology. All equipments are with us. Please share the videos, like the videos, and share the videos to the others. Thank you.